Hi expert, this is Pradeep from Finance Fixer. Today we have a bias for ME clean process. You can see as a B3572G dot bin. This video is request of our viewers. We can suggest also. Let's clean the ME. To clean this ME region, we will need three tools. One is ME analyzer, which you can see at here. Other one is ME system tool, which will help you to clean the ME region. And third one is ME repository pack, which is the actual ME files. Okay, let's copy file all things. Let's first check the ME version, drag and drop on ME analyzer, enter. You can see here is ME version 9.5 9.5.30.1808. We are going to choose the same version. Let's get our files from our resources. First, ME system tool, which is 9.5. Yeah, here is 9.5. Copy, paste. Then second one is ME repository file. Yes, here you can see 9.5.3 9.5 packages here. Let's click OK. Let's search 9.5.30.1808. Yes, two files at here. Let's don't confuse. One 9.5.30.180 and same one is here. And we can see next to this 1.5 MB PRD region. Same here 5 MB PRD region. As you can find here, firmware SQH 1.5, and then we are selecting this one 1.5 MB. Okay, let's copy from here to our root file. Copy. ME clean bias. Let's paste that here. Make change the name to ME REJON. Enter. If you don't have this file firmware, ME analyzer, ME system tool, link in the description, you can download from there. Otherwise you can and here is the file. You can see here ME system tool 9.5 is here. All version at here. You can download from here, and this is the ME firmware files. You can see Intel ME firmware repository. All files at here. Our file is 9.5. At here you can see download all files, as you can see, and here is the ME analyzer all version at here, and a small guide to use the ME analyzer and the data. You can all files at here which we will need to be checked. All things are mentioned at here. Okay, let's clean the BIOS. Let's minimize this one. Open ME system tool, flash image tool, bin, FITC. Let's site to this one. Open. Come to the root folder, whereas our file in the ME clean BIOS. Let's make it here XML to all files as a. We can see one file has been generated at here as a B3 and name of our BIOS. One file has been generated here. Open the file, decompose. You can see our BIOS has been decomposed and separated all section at here. BIOS region, FD region, ME region and OEM region. We have to replace ME region only. That's why we rename that BIOS to ME, our repository to ME region. Let's open that one. You can see our ME region file is here. Okay, let's make some changes on FITC tool. Go to build setting, build setting, untick generate intermediate file. Let's make the path where your file wants to save. I want to save it here. ME clean bias, and my file and my bias file will be me clean bias. Let's say okay. For our safety, we can say all settings for our safety. Let's save the all settings. Me setting. Okay. Let's replace the me files. You can see me settings which we saved, and let's copy the me file. Copy from here and paste that here. Replace. Yeah, it's replaced. Let's go to build setting. Build image. You can see one error right here. Okay, let's solve. Let's try to understand the code. Including status 132 where ICC lock mask. Let's check settings in the ME configuration. ME error. If there any error, okay, here is one error here. Default lock enable mask. Let's make it unknown to default. Okay, let's try build image. Wow, we can see no error. It means our file is ready to program. Let's check. Close this one. Our file at here generated ME region. You can delete this both file. You can delete. Let's check at ME analyzer if there are any error. We will see. Enter. You can see no error at here. Let's check with previous one. This is the previous one. This is the latest one. Let's compare the file. There are no errors, and you can see firmware version also the same 9.530180. Here is the same one. Firmware type region extracted extracted. We have to compare the 2-3 things like this one firmware version, firmware type, firmware SKU, and other thing is chipset support. All things are okay. It means our file is ready to program. Let's. That's for today, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And I request all please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Thank you.